For he guards the cause of the just and protect the ways of the faithful ones. Proverbs chapter 2 verses 8. Hello beautiful family. Very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to VlogMas Day 2. This holiday season, there's absolutely no room for any boring rice. Let's elevate our normal white rice to this delicious Dill Vermicelli rice. It is made with simple ingredients with your favorite herbs, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Your guests are going to be so impressed with this rice recipe. So please stay tuned and let's get right into it. You will be stunned. Okay, so to begin with, let's go through the ingredients. I have here about 2.5 cups of my jasmine rice. I also have some spaghetti, and I have one of my favorite herbs ever. It is called Dill herbs. It is dried and it's absolutely gorgeous. I have some salt and a little bit of butter. Okay, that's all. That is all. So in my pot, I am going to toast my spaghetti for about 3 to 4 minutes until the yellow color of this spaghetti turn into a very nice brown. Okay, do it on a low to medium heat so that you do not end up burning all your spaghettis. Okay, do not disgrace yourself. Okay, guests are on their way coming. All right, so there you have it. It should look exactly like this. Okay, so once you get that tone beautiful brown color, you are now going to throw in your herbs. I am using dill, but you can definitely use a pinch of dried rosemary as well. It is absolutely great. But if you have dill, please use that. It is the best. The aroma alone is going to take you places. Toast that for about a minute as well, and then go in with your washed rice. You want to go ahead and mix everything together. Make sure everything is very well incorporated, and now go in with some salt to taste. Always, as I always say, the salt always depends on your taste bud, but I used about a tablespoon and it was absolutely great. After seasoning it with salt, go in with about 1.5 cup of water and just allow this rice to cook about 15 minutes or until the water runs dry. All right, this rice recipe is very much inspired by one of my patient friends. I enjoyed their dill rice. It was absolutely delicious, and of course I added my own to it, making vermicelli rice. So please be sure to try this. It is absolutely great. You are going to also love it, and also share to a few friends and family as well. Give me a thumbs up, do not forget. Okay, about 15 minutes of cooking the rice, we've lost all the liquids and water in here, which is absolutely great. So go ahead and add a teaspoon more of your dill herbs. It gives that beautiful aroma and freshness to the rice. You will not even believe it. Okay, so stir everything to combine, and now the last ingredient is about to go in. That is our butter. Okay, so go ahead and spread it out on top of your rice. Cover it for about 10 minutes. Allow this to nicely cook and steam very well, and your rice should be ready. As simple as that, your rice is ready. The flavors and the aromas coming together is insane. It's mind-blowing. All your guests are going to be so impressed. This is one recipe that I promise you is going to be in your memory lane forever. It tastes so delicious. As simple as it is absolutely delicious. So here I'm going to just allow this to simmer for about a minute, and now we're going ahead to serve this. And just like that, you can go ahead and serve with any stew of choice, be it tomato stew, gravy. You just go ahead with the list. Everything goes with this rice recipe. You can definitely even enjoy it on its own. It is so delicious. So there you have it, family. I hope this will inspire you to try something new this holiday season. I promise you, you're not going to end there. You will be making this over and over again. It is absolutely delicious. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up It is very, very important. All right. And also share it with your friends and family. On this day, we paired it with some chicken stew with a bit of beetroot salad on the side. Boy, those combo and colors were mind blowing. It was so delicious. I will share the chicken stew right away. I made it different. It was delicious, and you definitely deserve to also learn how to make it for the holiday fam. Okay, thank you so much. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye. Happy holidays.